Hello and welcome.
Today we will discuss with the distribution lead from Hollywood AI Studios, coordinating how films reach audiences around the world.
Thanks for the invitation. Happy to discuss.
What is film distribution and what does it involve?
Film distribution is the process of making a finished movie available to audiences. It includes preparing the materials in the correct formats, organizing when and where they will appear, and coordinating with partners to deliver them. Distribution ensures the film is presented as planned and reaches viewers in a smooth, organized way.
Why is distribution such an important stage in filmmaking?
Distribution is the stage where all the work of writing, filming, and editing is finally shared with the audience. Without clear and well-organized distribution, a film might not be seen in the way its creators intended.
What are some of the main tasks in film distribution?
The main tasks include preparing trailers, posters, and other materials, making sure all technical requirements are met, setting a release timetable, and coordinating with various platforms or locations. Every step needs to happen in the right order so the launch is smooth and on schedule.
How has AI changed the way distribution teams work?
AI has given distribution teams tools to track schedules, store materials, and check files automatically. It can quickly identify missing steps or technical issues before they cause delays. This means teams can spend more time on creative and strategic work instead of manual checking.
What are some of the challenges in modern film distribution?
One challenge is keeping track of many different versions of materials for various platforms and ensuring they all match the intended style. Another is coordinating many teams across different time zones. AI can help by centralizing information and keeping everyone updated in real time.
How does distribution connect creative work to the audience?
Distribution takes the creative work of the filmmakers and makes sure it reaches people in its best form. This includes choosing the right platforms, ensuring the film plays correctly, and presenting it with materials that reflect the tone and style of the story. Without distribution, even the most carefully made film would remain unseen.
What role does timing play in distribution?
Timing is important because each step in distribution depends on the one before it. Materials need to be ready in the correct order, and the release needs to happen at the right moment to make the most impact. AI can help by keeping track of deadlines and showing what is ready to go and what still needs attention.
How can AI help keep distribution organized?
AI can create a central place where all plans, schedules, and creative materials are stored. It can also update the team automatically when a change is made. This keeps everyone working with the same information and reduces the risk of mistakes.
What does quality control mean in distribution?
Quality control is the process of checking that all materials look and sound exactly as they should before they are shared. This includes confirming that the format, resolution, and style match the requirements. AI can help by scanning files to find problems before they are sent out.
Why is coordination important in distribution?
Coordination ensures that the many parts of a release happen in the right order. Distribution involves designers, editors, technical teams, and delivery partners, and they all need to work together smoothly. AI can make coordination easier by showing everyone the same plan and tracking progress.
What is version control in film distribution?
Version control is keeping track of the most recent files and making sure only approved versions are used. In distribution, many versions of the same trailer or image may be created for different uses, and AI can help by storing them clearly and preventing previous versions from being used by mistake.
How can AI help when there are many different delivery formats to prepare?
AI can store all the technical specifications for each platform in one place and check every file against those rules before it is sent. This ensures that each version of the film or material is ready to play without errors, no matter where it is presented.
What happens in distribution once a film is fully completed?
Once a film is completed, the distribution team prepares all the files, materials, and schedules needed for release. They then work with delivery partners and platforms to make sure everything is received on time and in the correct format. AI can help track each step so nothing is missed.
Why is communication so important during distribution?
Distribution involves many people working on different tasks at the same time. Clear communication makes sure that everyone knows what is expected and when it needs to be ready. AI can support this by sending automatic updates and reminders whenever a task is completed or changed.
How can AI help prevent delays during distribution?
AI can watch the progress of every task and warn the team if something is falling behind schedule. This gives the team a chance to solve the issue early before it causes a delay in the overall release plan.
Can AI help with planning the sequence of release events?
Yes, AI can create a structured timeline that maps out the order of key events such as announcements and early previews. By arranging these in a logical sequence, it helps build and maintain audience attention without overwhelming them. The system can also make sure that each event leads naturally into the next, keeping momentum strong throughout the release period.
Does AI make it easier for teams to work together during a release?
Yes, AI can bring all planning documents, creative files, and status updates into one shared space. This allows everyone involved to see the most current version of each item without searching through multiple folders. It also makes it easier to assign tasks and track progress, so every department knows exactly what needs to be done and when.
Can AI help with planning follow-up activities after the initial release?
It can. AI can suggest additional steps that keep the audience engaged after the main launch. These might include releasing exclusive content, arranging interviews with the creative team, or offering special features that add depth to the project. By mapping these activities into the timeline, the system helps extend interest well beyond the first wave of distribution.
What is one way AI can help a distribution lead stay organized?
AI can serve as a central hub for all information related to the release. It can track important dates, manage creative assets, and send reminders about upcoming deadlines. This helps the distribution lead focus on strategic decisions, knowing that the logistical details are being monitored and updated automatically.
Can AI assist with evaluating different campaign concepts before they are launched?
It can. AI can review sample materials, compare them with past trends, and project which ideas are most likely to connect with viewers. This helps teams choose a concept that aligns with the tone of the project and the overall goals of the campaign.
How can AI help in tracking the status of creative assets?
AI can keep a record of every material, from early drafts to final versions. It can also note who is responsible for each file and when it will be ready. This avoids confusion and ensures that materials are delivered on time for each stage of the release plan.
What is one way AI supports clear communication within a distribution team?
AI can centralize all updates, plans, and files in a single system. Team members can log in to see the latest information at any time. This reduces the need for constant meetings and ensures that everyone is working from the same, most recent details.
Can AI help organize the order in which different media channels are used?
Yes, AI can map out a sequence for when each channel is most effective, such as social platforms, press announcements, and videos. It ensures each channel is introduced at the right point in the campaign so they work together rather than compete for attention.
Can AI help track which activities have been completed?
It can. AI can update the campaign checklist as soon as an activity is finished. This helps the team see at a glance what has been done and what still needs attention.
What is one way AI reduces repetitive tasks for a distribution lead?
AI can automate reminders, file organization, and status updates. By handling these routine steps, it frees up more time for creative and strategic planning.
Can AI help plan when to release special content from the production process?
Yes, AI can recommend the right points in the campaign to share extra content that shows how the film was made. This type of content works best when it is timed to support other activities in the release plan. By placing it between major announcements or previews, it can give the audience something new to enjoy while keeping attention on the film without revealing too much.
Can AI assist with checking progress during the campaign?
It can. AI can compare the planned schedule to what is happening at the moment and show which activities are finished and which still need work. This allows the distribution team to adjust the timeline if needed. It also helps everyone see the overall progress in a simple way, so no steps are forgotten.
How can AI help prepare for unexpected opportunities during a campaign?
AI can keep a flexible version of the release plan that is easy to update. If a new opportunity appears, such as a media feature or a special event, the system can suggest how to add it into the plan without removing important steps. This makes it easier to take advantage of opportunities quickly while keeping the campaign organized.
Does AI make it easier to coordinate with other companies?
Yes, AI can store all plans, creative materials, and important dates in one shared system. Partner companies can check this system to see what needs to be done and when. This reduces delays, prevents confusion, and keeps everyone working with the same clear information.
What is one way AI helps maintain a consistent style?
AI can compare all the materials and check that the design, tone, and style are the same. This is important because a consistent style helps the audience recognize the film instantly, no matter where they see it. Keeping a unified look and feel from the first announcement until the final update builds a stronger connection with the audience.
Can AI help adjust a plan if changes happen?
Yes, AI can quickly rearrange the schedule to fit new circumstances. If something needs to move forward or be delayed, the system can show how it affects the rest of the distribution and recommend the best way to keep the plan balanced.
Can AI help plan the timing for teaser content?
It can. AI can analyze the overall campaign schedule and recommend the best moments to share teasers that create interest without revealing too much of the film. By timing these teasers carefully, the campaign can build curiosity early on and then maintain attention with larger announcements closer to the release. This creates a steady flow of content that keeps the audience engaged.
Can AI assist with tracking the status of each task?
Yes, AI can keep a detailed list of all tasks, show their current progress, and update that information as the work is done. It can also send reminders when a deadline is approaching, which helps the team stay organized and on track. This reduces the need for constant meetings and lets everyone focus on completing their tasks.
How can AI help coordinate a release across different platforms?
AI can store a single master plan that includes all tasks for each platform involved in a release. It can ensure that materials are delivered in the correct format, on the right day, and in the right order. This keeps the release moving smoothly, even when several teams are working at the same time.
Can AI assist in keeping release materials consistent across platforms?
Yes, AI can compare all versions of posters, trailers, and clips to a set style guide. It can flag any that use the wrong fonts or layout so they can be corrected before release. This makes the project look finalized wherever it appears.
How does AI help manage distribution timelines?
AI can create a clear, shared schedule for the entire distribution process, showing what needs to happen each week. It can also alert the team when something is running late, so changes can be made quickly. This reduces the chance of last-minute delays.
Can AI help with tracking version control for materials?
Yes, AI can record every version of a file and make sure the latest approved version is the one sent out. This prevents old or incomplete materials from being used by mistake, which is important when multiple versions are being edited at the same time.
How can AI support coordination with external delivery partners?
AI can provide a secure space where partners can access the latest release schedules, creative materials, and instructions. By keeping everything in one place, it reduces the need for long email threads and makes it easier to keep everyone up to date.
Is AI useful for checking technical specifications?
AI can automatically verify that files meet the required size, resolution, and format before they are sent. This prevents errors that could cause delays or require last-minute reprocessing. It is especially helpful when distributing content to many destinations with different requirements.
How does AI help ensure smooth sequencing of release steps?
AI can arrange all steps in a logical order and make sure each one is completed before the next begins. This prevents overlaps and ensures that each stage is ready to support the one that follows.
Thank you for sharing your insights today. It's been fascinating to learn how AI is influencing the way films reach their audiences.
Thank you as well. It's been great to talk about how technology is opening new possibilities for distribution.